Hi guys, I let AI break down my music today, and it's a wild ride. Today I'm testing Fadr's stem extraction tool on two of my tracks, one is orchestral and one is pop. Let's see how it handles these layers and if it's worth using for composers. Step 1, go to fadr.com, click stem, upload my music. Here, check out my Logic working file. There's a lot going on here as you can see. I choose a complex track with Chinese flute, bass clarinet, strings, harp, drums, piano, synth, and electric bass. While it uploads, let's listen to a quick snippet. Alright, time to solo each stem. Drums. Winds. Still hear strings and it's tough to separate clarinet and flute. Strings. Actually sounding very clean. Piano, decent, bass, solid. Let's going back to winds again. Yeah, definitely needs some work. Now I'm trying a simpler track. It's just a vocal, electric guitars, bass and drums. Let's preview.
We should take our time. But ever since I've had you in my life, I have never felt quite so alive.
Now the music's uploaded and ready to solo. Solo vocal.
You alone.
Clear. Solo drums. Great. Solo winds. Let's try. Weird. It's identified guitar as wind. There are no wind in the instrumentation at all. Electric guitars. Not bad. Solo strings. Wow, strings is being picked up again. I didn't even add it in the music. Interesting. Bass. As a composer, it's interesting but also sometimes frustrating to see AI tools to handle intricate textures. For a simpler track, this tool can really help us to dissect arrangement and learn a little bit more details. But with more complex pieces, I think maybe Fadr needs a little bit time to upgrade and develop. But it's a reminder that music is intricate. Our human ear is still the best thing to capture details in music, at least for now. So I think this tool might be a good learning aid, but for me, I think it's time for a refund. So what do you think? Would you give it a try? Let me know in the comments.